Greetings everyone. I welcome you all in the first module of class 11th Political Science, chapter 2nd, Rights in the Indian Constitution. First of all, you should know your rights. As all of you are the citizen of India, you must know about your rights which are granted by the Constitution to us. What are rights? You should know that rights are the claim which can be done by any person on other fellow beings, on society, on any organization or institution, or even the government. These are called rights. But some rights are fundamental rights. Why the rights are called fundamental rights? Because they are the human rights and which are protected by the Constitution. They are called fundamental rights. And these fundamental rights are very, very essential human rights that are offered to every citizen without any discrimination on the basis of caste, race, creed, place of birth, religion, or gender. These rights are equal to freedoms, and these rights are essential for personal goods as well as for the society at large scale. So now next we are going to discuss, that is, in our constitution we citizens are granted 6 fundamental rights. First, right to equality. Second, right to freedom. Third, right to freedom from exploitation, or it can be called right against exploitation. Fourth, right to freedom of religion. Fifth, cultural and educational rights. And the last one is the right to constitutional remedies. Thank you. In the next modules, we are coming with more explanation of these fundamental rights.